Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Payal. Are you planning to give EDAIC Part 1 exam? So in this video, I will show you the complete registration process step by step. So what is EDAIC Part 1 exam? So EDAIC Part 1 is a written exam conducted by European Society of Anesthesiology and Intensive Care. And it is usually held once a year around September and can be taken multiple countries. And its registration process is generally starts in March. So before registration process start, so they display the date of registration and examination. So and they display all the information regarding registration process. Please go through the registration process in detail. It is very much important before going for the registration. So then about first step is to create your ESAIC account. So to create your account, you just need your full name, email ID, date of birth, and nationality. Then after that, you can log in into your account. Yeah. And from here, you can see all the details like my messages, like my profile and all. And then second, upload your degree or diploma and this. So open, log into your account, go to my profile and yeah, upload here your degree or diploma, whatever you have. So on the registration day, so you can see this type of the screen on the registration day. This is the waiting list screen. So mostly this website allows 200 users at a time. So don't go back if you see this screen. So you have to go on the exam. Then you have to select this like EDIAC Part 1, 2026, whatever year you are applying. So press on registration and then this page will open. Then you can see a search bar and then language and location. So you can search, you can select language and you have to search location here. So today registration has 8 to start. So they are not showing the location here, whatever I'm searching. So whenever the registration starts, they show the location in tiles. If I'll show you it in next like next slide, so it will comes. Mhm. So I'm searching for London. So and then go to next step and then you have to proceed for the payment page. um Yeah, look, I have told you about like they show it in tiles. So exam centers will be displayed as this in on the day of a registration process. They show it like this with the registration fees. So you have to select whichever you want and make sure you keep available all the like keep a list of center reference ready in advance. As first reference center fully booked, then you can select another center without thinking at that moment because centers have limited capacity. And make sure like payment option, whatever debit card or credit card, Visa, Mastercard, American Express, and bank contact is usually accepted. So make sure you have all valid card details in hand before clicking the registration link, as rejected payment will not be processed. So next. Okay, then after completing your payment and all, they will show you the screen like we are processing your payment. So if that page shows, so many people get confused like we have amount has been debited, but it's just showing like we are currently processing your payment. So if this screen comes, it is like mostly confirmed your like registration process. So same day you will get email ID by evening confirming your registration. So your order is confirmation and they will show you send you an invoice of your payment and all the details of your registration whichever you have done. So after that next day you will get admission document. So make sure you have to download it admission document, and on the second page of it you'll get like invitation letter. so that you can apply for visa as soon as possible. So, uh-huh. Okay, this is an invitation letter. So it will contain all your details and later regarding you can apply for this visa. So keep all emails saved and print admission later. Apply for visa as soon as possible if needed. And always check your spam folder. Sometimes email go there. And if video help you understand the EDAC process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.